Tires are designed using one of three possible tread patterns. Understanding these patterns helps you identify the function and best use of that tire, as well as which vehicle it is best suited for. The first tread pattern we will look at is called symmetrical. If you draw a line down the center of the tread, you'll find that the left side is a 180-degree rotation of the right side. A tire with this tread pattern can be easily mounted without having to worry about the direction or which side is the inside-outside. Tires with the symmetrical tread design are popularly found on all-season and touring tires. These tires are generally more durable, have a robust construction, classic handling, and provide a smoother ride on the vehicle. The second tread pattern we will look at is called directional. If you draw a line down the center of the tread, you'll find that the left side is a mirror image of the right side, giving a V-shaped design. It is important to note that this tire can only be mounted in one direction. There are rotation arrow markings on the tire sidewall that indicate in which direction the tire must turn. Tires with the directional tread design are popularly found on performance and winter tires. These tires characteristically provide great performance on wet pavement by evacuating water quickly, allowing maximum contact and performance with the road surface. It also lends a sporty look to a vehicle, increasing the visual appeal. The third and final tread pattern we will look at is called asymmetrical. If you draw a line down the center of the tread, you'll notice that the left side does not match the right side, which is on purpose, as each side performs a specific function. The exterior portion, or the outside of the tread, is designed to help with lateral forces coordinating with cornering. The interior portion, or the inside of the tread, is designed to help with water evacuation. To determine which side is which, there are indicator markings inside or outside on the tire sidewall for guidance when mounting. Tires with an asymmetrical tread design are popularly found on high-performance and ultra-high-performance tires for vehicles such as BMWs, Audis, Mercedes, and Corvettes. These tires typically have great stability on the road surface because they have the best wet and dry compromise, with a focus on performance.